promise. You spoke your word, night turned into day. Your beauty filled this place. When my world stood in silence, you filled my heart with songs that never end.